Value function converts a text string that represents a number to a simple number or number format. This function has only one argument. In text argument, select the cell reference contain a text that represents a number. In text box, select this text string, click OK. Function returns date number in number format. Active this cell, click text arrow button, scroll down, click value function. In text box, select this text string, click OK. Function returns currency number to a number format. Paste the formula in other cells. Press mouse and drag to this cell. Active this cell. In this cell, value function returns time format number to a number format. But in Excel, you can convert text to numeric values or number formats without using value function. Select this cell references range. Click Home tab, Number group. Click down arrow button. Click Number format. Reduce the decimal places up to 2. Now you can see numeric values are equal in both columns. In this way, you can use value function in an Excel worksheet.